Did you know that with the power of AI, you can create hit songs and potentially make $450 a day posting them online? Let me break it down for you. So, first off, let's talk about the massive audience potential. Imagine 154 million people listening to one song making a staggering $500,000. But wait, it gets even better. This particular song was streamed by a whopping 1.3 billion people, making it the most streamed Jamaican song of all time. Mind blowing. Today, thanks to the beginner friendly AI platform, dreams can be resurrected. You don't need to be a seasoned singer or songwriter. AI can handle the heavy lifting from crafting lyrics to creating beats. So, how do you make $450 a day? Let's break it down into three simple steps. On step number one, write a hit song and you know what we are going to target. Yes, it's kids, and focus on that niche because kids are a lot more forgiving and certainly less judgmental. We are going to use this prompt in ChatGPT. Give me kids educational song title ideas. And guys, you can see we got several here from that prompt. We are going to choose the first one, which is ABC Adventure. So next you are going to enter a prompt in ChatGPT. Write me a catchy inspirational educational song for kids titled ABC Adventures. You can obviously replace the song we are creating with whichever song you are going to be creating in the prompt. So step number 2, create your song. Utilize AI platforms like Song to bring your lyrics to life. Choose your singer, upload your lyrics and let AI work its magic. You can even design album art to give your song a professional touch. So step number 3 is distribute your song platforms like make it easy to upload your music to various streaming services. Aim for 100,000 streams a day across platforms like Spotify, YouTube, Apple Music, and SoundCloud. Now let's talk numbers. For 100,000 streams on Spotify, you can earn up to $300 to $500. YouTube offers similar potential with earning ranging from $100 to $400. Don't forget about Apple Music, SoundCloud, and other online music stores. They all contribute to your revenues. Stream consistency is key. While reaching 100,000 streams may not happen overnight, regular releases and promotion can help you get there. And the best part, AI tools like Songer are accessible and affordable, making it possible for anyone to embark on their musical journey. So whether you are a budding musician, a creative kid, or someone with the dreams of stardom, the opportunity is within reach. With AI by your side, you can turn your passion for music into a lucrative online venture. It's time to make your mark in the digital music landscape. Are you ready to rock? And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.